Just walk us through it. What happened, buddy?
I mean, y'all seen what happened out there. I literally went balls deep. Literally.
What's up, guys? Well, today back again, bringing you another Can-Am video. I know it's been a while, but me and Caleb were able to, well, aka Paradox up there. I say Caleb, but aka Paradox up there. We were able to finally get a day that we both had off, and we're able to take the Can-Ams out. We're at our favorite ATV park, and they have a new trail up, so that's what we're on right now. We're just gonna test it out and see how good it is. I don't think it's gonna be too muddy. I think it's more of just a riding trail, but we're going to test it out and see what we can get into and just bring you guys along for the ride. If you guys are new to the channel, I have a 850 XMR Can-Am. It's 2018. My brother on the black 1000 is ahead of me. We shouldn't bump into too many people today either. There was only a few cars out in the parking lot. It's a Sunday, but it's a beautiful day. I'm surprised more people weren't out here riding. I think my belt is actually going bad on my four-wheeler as well. I ride in high everywhere I go. I know it's not good for your four-wheeler. Oh, we found a little bit of mud. Not too bad though. A little milky, not bad mud though. Hopefully we can get something a little bit thicker. But I ride around in high, as you can see. I've had the same belt. I have 28 hours on it so far, and 28 and a half hours so far on the original belt. I think it's finally going out on me. I don't know if I'm going to break it this ride or the next ride, but I know it's going to be breaking on me soon. So if it does go out, it goes out. I'm not really too concerned about it. We're really just testing. Oh, here's a nice little water. Hard bottom though. But I'm not too worried about breaking. Oh, here's some people up here. See what they're riding. I'm in too high right now. I believe he's probably in too low. There's like a rock right there. Looks like we got two Yamahas. You can come on. I don't know which way Caleb was going, or these guys right here. Hey, you wanna go that way? You wanna go that way? I guess we're gonna be falling behind these Yamahas on the side by side. Caleb's circling back around. Now we got like a little convoy. This is beautiful right here. I would take doing this any day over playing Xbox, and I love Xbox. The Fox suspension's taking these rocks pretty well. I think this is more of just a novice trail. This trail's not too hard or challenging. I mean, it's definitely not challenging for these XMRs. But once like I said, this is a fairly new trail. Once the side-by-sides and four-wheelers with bigger tires come through here, they'll rut it all up, and these holes will get deeper and deeper as we go. Oh, we might get into something right here. Not too bad. I think Caleb's kind of going off trail. This is a trail, and we're supposed to keep following it, but I guess Caleb got tired of the easy trail, so he's gonna try to see if we can get into something a little bit thicker and harder. Looks like other people have thought the same thing, and they've kind of already came through here, but you can tell this trail's a little bit overgrown. Oh, Caleb's already stuck. Yep, Caleb found the good holes. I think he's in two-wheel drive. Now he's in four-wheel drive. There he goes. was just telling them, I said that this is a new trail, so it's not that challenging. But I saw where you had turned off course, and I'm like, Caleb's probably trying to look for a harder trail to find and deeper holes. All that. That's not really a challenge for the XMRs. So I figured you turned off to try to see if we can get into more thicker stuff.
Yeah, that's all right. That's thick. We can play around with it if you want.
I wonder where the rest of this goes. I just want to keep riding it through and see. All right, I'll keep following you. Caleb already got stuck one time earlier today. That's why his is all covered in mud. If you guys don't follow him, his YouTube is Paradox. So I'm sure he'll have that clip on his YouTube. The first hole we hit right out the gate after getting the four-wheelers off the trailer, he got stuck. I didn't hit it. I kind of bitched out, but he did, and he got stuck. And I always say, every time we come out here, how his is just so long. He probably wouldn't have got stuck, but that thing is just so long, those 1000 XMRs. It's a great four-wheeler, dude. It was long. And if he was been a little bit shorter, he probably wouldn't have got stuck. I'm kind of hoping I do break the belt today. That way I have an excuse to go get another one. I really don't want to replace one that hasn't broke yet. But then again, I hate to be that guy who gets broke on a trail and ruins the whole day of riding. But I'd rather just go ahead and break it. That way I can go get my money's worth out of this one. That's kind of contradicting, but that's how I kind of am. Which is weird because I take such good care of my truck, but I kind of beat the shit out of this. And unfortunately, if you guys are following me for the Cummins, if you guys follow me on YouTube, you've already, or if you guys follow me on Instagram, that's a little deep. But if you guys do follow me on Instagram, you would have saw I had an incident with my truck, unfortunately, and I haven't been able to drive it for 2 weeks. I want to make another separate video for the truck, explaining what all happened with it and why I haven't been able to drive it. But I should be, it's in a different part of Alabama right now. It should be coming back to me next Tuesday or Wednesday. Uh-oh, what do you find? Well, this is some deep rut. That stuff is thick. That stuff is, yeah, that stuff is thick.
That's beyond thick. That's thicker than cold peanut butter, boy. Like, I step right here, I just keep on sinking.
Hey, you got your light bar turned on, do you know that?
Sometimes I hit it when I drive.
Yeah, this stuff is thick. I knew Caleb was gonna find something to get stuck in again. Well, I'll hop over here and see if we can get a better angle.
Can you put some weight on that end?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to lift up on this end too.
All right.
Hold on.
Yep. Woo! There we go. Dug out my crock. No. There we go. Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna be on this trail though. If we get stuck too bad, they're gonna be able to pull us out. Yeah, it's caked right now.
Woo!
This, you can tell nobody's been in this hole for a while.
Hey.
Yeah, you can see there's no tracks. Nobody's been in this hole for a while. Except Caleb, he just hit it. Do you know if we get stuck too bad, nobody's gonna be able to pull us out because nobody comes back here.
No, no.
It is nice out here though. I was telling them this beats any day on an Xbox.
Oh yeah.
And we love Xbox.
1000s made me proud today. I mean, she ain't doing too bad.
I told them you got stuck in one hole earlier, but if you're a little bit shorter, you would have been fine.
Yeah, I would have done.
Well, I guess we'll just keep hitting it, see what we can get in. You just want to follow back through this water right here?
Yeah.
All right. I'll back on the old pretty F-150, or not F-150, 850. Pour it out, son. Oh, he's getting sideways again. There's a damn log right here, branch. What's this other trail? Maybe this gets a little deep. Nobody's been in that one for a while either. Well, the new trail is good, but this little sub trail off the new trail seems to be a little bit better. At least a little bit more challenging for the XMRs. Uh-oh, here's some branches. Now, let's go ahead and pop her in. 4-wheel drive, crawl over this right quick. Looks like there's some roots or branches stuck underneath. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. That was a little bit more harder than I thought it was going to be, honestly. He is deep. You just want to turn it off and let it sit for a second? Are you afraid to turn it off or what?
Get the tow strap out of mine, and then we'll hook it up and just drag me, and then I'll turn it off over there. Get me out of this.
Unfortunately, I was talking about breaking my belt, but it looks like my brother actually ended up breaking his. Good? Not not going in gear at all?
No, it's going into gear. See all the white smoke? That's my belt. It sounds like it's running fine. But dude, I was above the seat. Literally the water stopped right here.
Yeah, I saw it.
See, my rad is still, maybe I just let it run and idle for a little bit longer.
Alright guys, we're gonna sit here for a couple minutes and we'll get back to you. Oh, it looks like I may have jinxed my brother. You guys heard me in my video saying how my belt was probably about to go because it was screaming the whole time. And unfortunately, Caleb's looks like the symptoms are about the same as he had last time. Just walk us through it. What happened, buddy?
I mean, y'all seen what happened. I literally went balls deep. Literally, like I could still feel the cold water.
Just the tip.
Yeah, just the tip. No, my tip was in. Testes were.
Well, yeah, it looks
like Fisher bobber in the water. I was like, dude, it's the worst time for your winch to give you issues.
Oh man, but it looks like I was saying.
It's odd. It starts fine. I'll start it up on video for you. Of course, the kill switch got to be on. I'm not gonna say it sounds normal.
I was about to say it sounds a little bit different, but nothing too wild. It does sound like the tone's a little bit different.
We definitely lost tons of power. It's giving the symptoms that the belt went bad.
And we're hoping it's just the belt. Like I was saying before the video, luckily we have a guy named Mike Lummy. He helps us out a lot with these four-wheelers. He's a great dude over there at Dothan Power Sports. I know I say his name right 3 times a day, but he really is a good dude over there, and he always helps us out, so I like shouting him out. It looks like we'll be seeing you sometime next week, Mike. Hopefully you can fix the four-wheeler so we can get back on the trails. I don't want to say we hit it hard this time. I didn't hit anything too crazy today. We just been trail riding. Like I said, we went down that new trail, tried it out. My brother's been hitting harder stuff than me today. I've been trying to get some good footage of him because he hasn't been able to ride in a while. Well, neither of us have, but try to get more footage of him hitting some crazy stuff. And it looks like the hole over here is the one that took him out today. I've already hit my hole that took me out. Actually, I've hit 2 or 3 holes at this park that's took me out. But it looks like that's actually the first hole that's giving you actual trouble, though, at this park at least.
Like, that's the first hole I probably hit in this Can-Am where I was like, all right, I might actually be in some shit. Like, the first time.
I was thinking, because we just got stuck right over here.
I'm actually a little worried. No other hole I've hit since I bought it have I been a little bit worried. This one, I knew something was up because the tone changed. I started seeing water in the rad sneaking up to the air filter. And once the tone changed, I knew I was in some deep water. No pun intended.
Yeah.
I was in some deep stuff.
Well, guys, I'll go ahead and end the video out here so it's not too long. We got a good tow back. It's probably going to take us about 30-45 minutes to get back to the truck. Yeah. We got to go up some mountains, I feel like. So hopefully the old 850 XMR doesn't give us any trouble. If it does, you guys will see it in the clip after this.
It'll probably break down next.
I know. We'll probably be walking back home, honestly.
Just have a spare Honda because they're so good.
We should just have a spare Honda. I've been saying that since we got it.
No kidding. Seen at least 2 or 3 Hondas broken down today.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Literally, they didn't even have a tow strap. They were pushing each other.
Yep.
Bumper. One in front, one behind. Because the one behind didn't have enough
power.
Yeah, didn't have enough power. The one in front didn't have enough power, and the incline was like this. I think they had a small little strap maybe, but they had one in front, one behind pushing it. It was 3 Hondas, and I was like, oh my god.
It was like a centipede.
Like, literally, that is what.
I wish I would have got that on camera.
Now I didn't know.
I didn't realize they were doing it because, like I said, we were sitting there waiting, and I was behind you. I'm like, what are these guys doing? They were coming in.
They were laughing, and then there was a female who was coming up the hill not too long after them, and she was laughing. I didn't know what she was laughing at, and then she just kept laughing. And I'm waiting on her getting off the side of the trail, and I guess she was laughing because she was going like 2 miles an hour. Like she broke something on Honda too.
Well, can't talk too much shit because now here we are. But we're about to be in that same situation.
I'm covered in mud, and it didn't look like they hit shit all day. So
true. Well, like I said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video out here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna go ahead and get him back on the trailer. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.